Hello, everyone. This is Paul Harvey from TradeAlgo, where we harness the power of advanced computing and elite artificial intelligence to bring you an edge in the stock market. Our focus is dark pools, the hidden trading arenas of big banks, institutions, and hedge funds. These are places where significant trades happen, away from public eyes, often leaving retail traders scrambling. But not anymore. Here at TradeAlgo, we are all about leveling the playing field. Our cutting edge AI sifts through massive amounts of data in real time, monitoring the large, medium, and small cap stocks of the stock market, and both the trending up and trending downsides of the equation. Let's go ahead and dive right into TradeAlgo's top picks of the day. So popping up on top of the TradeAlgo trending downside of the dashboard today, we have PODD. Popping up here with over 320% institutional trending down volume. Now, when a stock this large, a $12 billion stock, has this much institutional sell-off pressure, and it drops 9% as a result, you can trust that you could have followed along with these institutional transactions and made money. So going and taking a closer look at PODD, you see that through scanning, through alternative trading systems, we picked up on a massive order come through, and our AI put PODD on top of the trending downside of the dashboard after seeing over $3 million sold off of this stock. And following along with institutional activity, you'll see all throughout the morning a massive amount of transactions come in as early as 1 minute after the market opened. We can go here and see today that PODD did about $228 million on a 7-day, on today's average. And on a 7-day average, they're only doing about $68 million. So $228 million today on a 7-day average, they're only doing about $68 million. Now, there's no mystery anymore on why this stock performance was so well. We'll go here to one of these option contracts with great interest in volume, going here to the $165 call to see how you would have utilized this information today and followed along to have a phenomenal day in the market, just following what big banks, institutions, and hedge funds are going to do. So going and following along today, making it very, very easy to track with TradeAlgo when institutions are trading. If you would have seen it pop up on TradeAlgo's dashboard, even 30 minutes after it did, you guys would have been able to potentially go and make a 331% return. Now, following along with this activity and following along, even for a short amount of time on your lunch break, still utilizing a quick 78% return is phenomenal. So following along with what banks, institutions, and hedge funds are doing is the name of the game. Not only are we going to be following them when they sell, but we are also going to be following them when they buy. So today we'll also see ANET popping up on top, on the second to top of the TradeAlgo dashboard. ANET popping up here with over 163% institutional trending up volume. Now, they've gone up 4% as a result on the day. This is a $92 billion stock. So when you see this much movement in, TradeAlgo will pick up the institutional transactions and take a closer look to determine if it's going to be a good buy. We'll see here, we determined if it was a good buy here as early as 8:02 in the morning in the pre-market. So this was well before the market even opened. TradeAlgo had picked up through institutions, ANET trading through banks, institutions, and hedge funds, getting orders all the way up to market open. As soon as the market opened, you saw millions and millions of dollars here come in at 9:30, 9:34. So having all these transactions rush into the stock, driving the price up, going and following along, making it really easy to make a determination when ANET has done $860 million in a single day. And on a 7-day average, they're only doing about 523. So following along with this institutional activity would have yielded you double, triple, and even quadruple digit returns on these option contracts here. Just following along with the $315 call here. Great options contract here today. Just following along since the middle of the day. If you would have seen it when TradeAlgo picked it up, but since the middle of the day, just making a quick 151% return, or catching this for even a shorter amount of time in the beginning of the day and utilizing this for, a 773% return is phenomenal, but you guys aren't shooting for that. What they're looking for is consistency. So going in and grabbing this even for a quick 39 to 150% return is the way that you're going to use this. Thank you very much, and stop getting your information too slow. Start utilizing the same systems that banks and hedge funds use to get an edge in the market. Thank you very much, and we'll see you next week.